Prepositions. Phrasal verbs. In simple sentences. Listen carefully and practice. At.
At.
She is at school.
She is at school.
In.
In.
My phone is in my bag.
My phone is in my bag.
On.
On.
The book is on the table.
The book is on the table.
Under.
Under.
The cat is under the chair.
The cat is under the chair.
Behind.
Behind.
The boy is behind the door.
The boy is behind the door.
Between.
Between.
The shop is between the bank and the cafe.
The shop is between the bank and the cafe.
Next to.
Next to.
The school is next to the park.
The school is next to the park.
Near.
Near.
We live near the beach.
We live near the beach.
Above.
Above.
The lamp is above the table.
The lamp is above the table.
Below.
Below.
The shoes are below the bed.
The shoes are below the bed.
Across.
Across.
The bakery is across the street.
The bakery is across the street.
Prepositions of time. At.
At.
The class starts at 9 o'clock.
The class starts at 9 o'clock.
On.
On.
We meet on Monday.
We meet on Monday.
In.
In.
She was born in June.
She was born in June.
Before.
Before.
Wash your hands before dinner.
Wash your hands before dinner.
After.
After.
We play football after school.
We play football after school.
During.
During.
He slept during the movie.
He slept during the movie.
Since.
Since.
I have lived here since 2020.
I have lived here since 2020.
4.
4.
We stayed in Paris for 2 weeks.
We stayed in Paris for 2 weeks.
Until.
Until.
Wait until 5 o'clock.
Wait until 5 o'clock.
Prepositions of movement and direction. 2.
2.
She goes to the market.
She goes to the market.
Into.
Into.
He walked into the room.
He walked into the room.
Out of.
Out of.
She ran out of the house.
She ran out of the house.
From.
From.
He comes from Senegal.
He comes from Senegal.
Towards.
Towards.
They walked towards the station.
They walked towards the station.
Up.
Up.
He climbed up the hill.
He climbed up the hill.
Down.
Down.
The ball rolled down the street.
The ball rolled down the street.
Through.
Through.
We walked through the park.
We walked through the park.
With.
With.
I am with my friends.
I am with my friends.
By.
By.
The book is by the window.
The book is by the window.
About.
About.
We talked about the movie.
We talked about the movie.
Like.
Like.
It looks like a cat.
It looks like a cat.
Daily routine phrasal verbs. Wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Get up.
Get up.
She gets up early every day.
She gets up early every day.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Please sit down on the chair.
Please sit down on the chair.
Stand up.
Stand up.
The students stand up when the teacher comes.
The students stand up when the teacher comes.
Go out.
Go out.
We go out on Sundays.
We go out on Sundays.
Come back.
Come back.
He comes back home at 6.
He comes back home at 6.
Go in.
Go in.
She goes in the room.
She goes in the room.
Clothing and objects. Put on.
Put on.
He puts on his jacket.
He puts on his jacket.
Take off.
Take off.
She takes off her shoes.
She takes off her shoes.
Pick up.
Pick up.
Pick up the pen from the floor.
Pick up the pen from the floor.
Put down.
Put down.
Put down your bag, please.
Put down your bag, please.
Throw away.
Throw away.
Don't throw away the paper.
Don't throw away the paper.
Put away.
Put away.
Put away the toys after playing. Communication. Look for.
Look for.
I am looking for my keys.
I am looking for my keys.
Find out.
Find out.
She found out the answer.
She found out the answer.
Write down.
Write down.
Write down the new words.
Write down the new words.
Call back.
Call back.
I will call you back later.
I will call you back later.
Talk about.
Talk about.
We talked about the movie.
We talked about the movie.
Everyday actions. Turn on.
Turn on.
Turn on the light, please.
Turn on the light, please.
Turn off.
Turn off.
Turn off the TV.
Turn off the TV.
Pick up.
Pick up.
He picked up the phone.
He picked up the phone.
Give back.
Give back.
Give back the book to your friend.
Give back the book to your friend.
Take out.
Take out.
Take out the trash.
Take out the trash.
Come from.
Come from.
I come from Senegal.
I come from Senegal.
Social and emotional. Get on.
Get on.
I get on well with my classmates.
I get on well with my classmates.
Look after.
Look after.
She looks after her little brother.
She looks after her little brother.
Take care of.
Take care of.
He takes care of his dog.
He takes care of his dog.
Get along.
Get along.
We get along with our neighbors.
We get along with our neighbors.
Give up.
Give up.
Don't give up learning English.
Don't give up learning English.